Welcome to the glittering world of rhinestones for nail art, where creativity truly meets sparkle and shine. With EDA Luxury Beauty's Nail Rhinestones Kit, you can effortlessly transform your nails into stunning works of art. Why choose EDA Luxury Beauty? The rhinestones come in vibrant colors, are made of high-quality materials, and are incredibly easy to apply. They're the perfect finishing touch to elevate your nail art. Unleash your creativity with 200 mixed-size round flatback crystals and unique shapes. Whether you create classic or extravagant designs, this kit offers endless possibilities. These crystals aren't just beautiful, they are durable and long-lasting. Your glamorous nails can stand the test of time, perfect for all your special occasions. Want to achieve amazing nail art? It's easy with just a few steps. Apply a little gem glue, place your gems, cure them, and enjoy your stunning DIY nail art. Ready to elevate your nail game? Get your own AB Colorful Nail Rhinestones kit today. Check the link in the description to start your nail journey.